See, Eastern Cape, we are tired of carrying this country. Saninika two presidents, Saninika a World Cup winning rugby captain. Ngoku sinika Miss SA. Okwesibini, sicela uhola.
It's only embarrassing if you find it embarrassing. Don't be afraid to be seen trying. This was the motto of Qhawekazi Mazaleni, who has now been since crowned as Miss South Africa for 2025. I want us all as South Africa to congratulate her, and her only, my brother, because she's more than just deserving, bruh. Her personality, her aura, her leadership, her substance. Pageantry is just not about you being beautiful. It's more than that. And truly, she encapsulated everything, my brother, because she even studied like speech to help other children to know how to speak properly and be presentable, my brother. And even the fact that her sister was in the top 5 as well in 2023, but now she was the one to actually get the whole crown for the whole family. I'm super proud, bro. I'm super proud the fact that she comes from Ekunubi in East London, which is in the Eastern Cape. She's representing Eastern Cape very well. She's reminding me of Zozibini Tunzi. The same feeling I got, it's the same feeling I have now, bruh.
Okay, guys, my final thoughts on the Miss South Africa finale that was held last night. Let's get into it. Production, stage was okay. I was expecting so much more though. The lights were a lot. Sometimes I found them a bit distracting because I wanted to focus solely on the girls. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Bridget crying on stage broke my heart. I didn't understand it then. Rumor has it that somebody in her family passed away, and if that's the case, kudos to her for still going through with this, honestly. Swimsuit rounds. Were the swimsuits in the room with us? I think they were just supposed to call this segment Beachwear Round. Top 5. I was happy with the top 5, although I do feel like Uzanele was supposed to have made it to the top 5. But then in saying that, who do I remove? Definitely not Karabo. Karabo and Uneli really brought their A game yesterday. Luyanda and Krawe have always been in my top 2. I think Gizelle I would have replaced with Zanele. When they got to the top 3, I was pretty happy with that. I feel like these were the top 3 contestants, Luyanda, Krawe, and Ukarabo. Guys, I almost forgot the questions that the judges were asking these ladies yesterday. Those questions set up by a Harvard professor, because it literally took me like 10 minutes just for my brain to process one question. Questions literally had an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. I did not take it easy on the girls whatsoever. The ladies did good. Honestly, they did good. Difficult part, the top 2, Uluyanda and Ukawe. This was very hard for me. Start off with Uluyanda. Luyanda, since day 1 when she arrived at boot camp, she made sure that she stood out. Heritage Day, Ashing Ceremony Day, official portraits, Luyanda has stood out since day 1 of the competition. Her performance yesterday was really outstanding. She did really good. Her walk, her stage presence, her aura. Luyanda is the girl that she thinks she is, okay? Maybe, guys, it is just not her time. Maybe it's just not her time. Also, my other question is, the winner is not going to go to Miss Universe. Luyanda, for me, is Miss Universe or Miss Grand or Miss Supra. If the winner is not going to go to those pageants, then it makes sense to me why they did not crown Uluyanda. But Uluyanda is a very successful girl in her own right. And I believe the Miss SA platform is just going to open so many more doors for her. So I'm excited to follow her journey after Miss South Africa and continue supporting her. Let's talk about our beautiful winner, our Miss South Africa 2025, Qhawekazi. For me, she started off a bit slow in the competition, but then later on, she did start picking up. This official portrait of hers, I absolutely adored. It was one of the best for me. Whoever advised her to cut her hair, that was the best decision ever. It really brought out that gorgeous face of hers. Very striking, beautiful features. Her performance yesterday, her walk is not necessarily one of the strongest in the competition. If she is going to be representing South Africa in an international competition, that is something that they would definitely have to work on with her, is the walk and the stage presence. The confidence is there, but just a bit of tweaking here and there. Q&A segment, though, her speaking abilities, she really shone in that. She's very articulate. She's very passionate about her causes. Her advocacy game is very strong. She has a very likable personality that just draws people in. You can see that she's passionate about people and that she really genuinely likes people. So I think for South Africa, it's a really good choice at this moment in time. If she is going to be representing South Africa international stage, we don't know yet what competition it is, guys. If it is going to be happening, I hope that it's a competition which is suited to her personality, because she has more of a soft-spoken personality. This is where I feel like they always get it wrong. They always send the right girl to the wrong pageant. So I hope that if it is going to be happening with Qhawe being sent to an international competition, it is the right competition that really suits her soft-spoken, very demure kind of personality. Once again, guys, massive congratulations to Qhawe, Miss South Africa 2025. She really fought very hard for that crown yesterday, so she really does deserve it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is my final analysis. Ciao for now, guys. See you in the next one.
Guys, just a quick one. I don't think hosting a show like Miss South Africa is a gig for every and any kind of presenter. And I think yesterday's show proved that. But what did y'all think?
Ladies and gentlemen, your 67th Miss South Africa 2025, Qhawekazi Mazaleni. Her journey started when she posted her entry video advocating for inclusive education and linguistic inclusion. And from this video, I knew she was taking it. Qhawekazi is a speech therapist and also a published author of a children's book. Her interview solidified everything for me, and I knew that if she made top 5, she was gonna take it. And oh boy, her mission statement was the final nail on the coffin when she said, and I quote, "To break the cycle of unemployment, we have to start by addressing its root cause. When 81% of our grade 4 learners struggle to read for meaning, it shows us that our youth is left behind far before they could have a fighting chance." And I was like, oh my God. She showed up, she commanded attention, and she believed in everything that she was saying. And oh boy, at the end, she emerged as the 67th Miss South Africa 2025. Once again, congratulations to our Miss South Africa 2025. I'm wishing you nothing but the best and a beautiful and memorable life-changing reign.
Toba is not that bad. Qhawe Mazaleni is now Miss South Africa 2025. Woo! It's just the saddest part about it is not the saddest part, but to me and to other South Africans maybe, is that we are not participating in Miss World, Miss Universe and stuff, solely on the basis of like, apparently we don't have the what beauty pageant license and stuff, you know, to participate internationally. Why, ma?
Making a Miss South Africa win about hair is really disappointing. It's really disappointing because it's not about hair. It hasn't been about looks that much either. It's about the mission statement. It's about what you can do as Miss South Africa when it comes to your reign, right? All of the women that we've had who have cut their hair have been absolutely gorgeous and deserving winners. So if you're going to tell me that Zozi and Shudu were not deserving winners, then come on. Cutting your hair, it does nothing for you. If the mission statement is not there, it does nothing for you. If you do not cover yourself in grace, it does nothing for you. So sorry that your fave didn't win. And you can be disappointed, I understand. But to minimize it to hair,